Tesla now operates the most productive car factory in the U.S., which might be interesting. That might be surprising to some, considering the fact that we're constantly talking about delays. But it goes to show you the tremendous demand and the need for rapid expansion for Tesla. They've got this huge demand, supplies, and making things, cars, hard.
The only way to deliver is to make it the most efficient as possible. Every single production line.
Yeah, it's tight. It makes sense. When you consider all the Teslas around here, they all got to come from right there. It's, it's not a huge operation compared to some of the other stuff they've been building. Mm-hmm. And the expansion that's happened in recent times. But like my car, that car down there came from there.
This one right here?
Yeah, that's it. You just found it.
Yeah.
So anyway, when they say most productive, they mean for one singular plant. Let's see here. Bloomberg put together an interesting tracker of production at some of the biggest auto plants in North America, and Tesla's Fremont factory took the #1 spot of all individual plants. The Fremont factory, 8,550 cars a week, which is above Toyota, BMW, another Toyota factory, and Ford. It's important to note these other manufacturers, they have many factories.
Yes, and years of experience.
Like Toyota's on there twice.
Yes.
For the time being, in North America, I think every Tesla you get is coming still from the Fremont factory until the Austin, Texas situation is sorted out and the trucks start to come from there. That's my understanding at the moment. That's my best guess at the moment. Now, you do have other plants elsewhere in the world, but this is only tracking U.S. shipments, and they're not. It's not by a huge margin that Tesla is ahead, but they are ahead.
Yeah, I don't know why they have all these squiggly lines here, but the red is supposed to represent Tesla.
It's the number of cars per week. Well, okay, dating back to 2012, and as you can see, actually, I'm assuming some of those top lines squiggles up there would have been Toyota that would have peaked back in 2014 at certain plants, probably before they expanded to have some other plant and so on and so forth. But demand plays a role too. There's a lot of factors here, but it is still a thing to be proud of, I guess, if you're Tesla, to be able to achieve 8,550 cars a week. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. That was actually Nissan that was way up there at certain plants.
Tennessee. Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, just click on Ford, for example, at the top. What a beautiful little. So look at how many. Wait, is that one plant or all? Like, scroll down.
This is just one plant, I'm assuming.
But but those the darker gray lines are other Ford plants, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, so Ford has so many plants. And click on General Motors. So many plants. Give me a Honda. Still a lot of plants. Yeah. Give me a Stellantis. Bang. Wow. Give me a Yoda. Bingo. So anyway, that's why you got to take this for what it is. But the key is, if you look at Tesla's red line there, they came out of nowhere. They came out of no man's land. They came out of we don't exist yet to that point. So that if you look at the trajectory, it's very impressive from where it was even in just 2016.
Yeah.
American car company.
Congrats.
So anyway, whatever. I think it's pretty cool. 8,550 vehicles delivered, and people still want more. People are still waiting.
Can't get enough of it.